Hey everyone, I'm Anne-Marie from Dovetail, and I'm going to talk you through a couple of ways that you can curate your workspace homepage. First off, it's always great to start with an introduction. Welcome your stakeholders into the workspace and let them know what they can expect to find. We encourage you to highlight maybe some popular search terms that they can look into. For example, here we've got an idea to search for customer journey, design process, perhaps a certain product, or by segment of the business. It's a great place as well to introduce the different teams that are working in the workspace, and you can do that by having stories for each of the teams that are in the workspace. For example, product marketing homepage. And within that, we can see what they're working on currently, what they've been responsible for in the past, and the output of their research is linked within there as well. It's also great to highlight any stories that are most relevant to the time that you are curating the workspace. It's a great space for your stakeholders to come in and start to use that information as part of their decision making, so having that front and center is really key. Next up, you can use a search block to include things like top trending tags, which will link through to their corresponding highlight reels. It's also a great place to elevate things like enablement materials. If you have a large portion of part-time researchers, or if you just want to get your new researchers up to speed, housing things like your sandpit activities, as well as ideas on how they can get confident, as well as understand different ways that you work within the workspace, perhaps naming conventions, is going to be really key. Finally, you can use a search block for surfacing your insights that were published most recently, or putting a time box around the insights that you'd like to surface on the homepage as well. Thanks.